Good day, everyone. If you are unable to turn off your phone from the power button and you want to change the power settings of your phone so that you can always press the power button and it should come like this, like power off, restart like this, then you just need to go to settings and click on the search icon and type power. The moment you type power, you will find a lot of options like power saving, wireless power, charging settings, adaptive power savings, and you will also find how to power off your phone. So here we have this side button and we will click on this, and then you will find again how to power off your phone. You need to click on that and you just need to select your button, long press off menu. So long press off menu will turn off your phone. So this is how you can change the power button settings and turn off your phone from the power button. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.